Hi, I'm Ali from Wildlife Hair in Sydney, and today I'm going to take you through a pixie haircut, keeping it modern so that we can really bring out the femininity in your client and make sure it really pops. So for our third look, we're going to pull all our model's hair off her face. So once that's dry, I'm just going to exaggerate some of the scrunch that we've done. So rather than go through and curl it, just going to keep a real 90s vibe happening. Then it's just about styling it. Now I've gone with quite a square look, so that's keeping it, making it look quite masculine. So I'm just going to add a little juxtaposition and pop something quite feminine in. So there you have a real textured, really 90s square shape, but with a little bit of femininity happening, even though it's quite a masculine shape going on. And that's our third look.